Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna make a flatbread today where I have some chicken, spinach, and some red peppers diced up there. Then I'm gonna use those are gonna be my toppings. Have regular mozzarella cheese, a pre-made flatbread, or it's like a naan bread that I got from the store, and some leftover alfredo that I had from when I cooked the other day. If you'd like to see how to make alfredo, go to my page and look up the shrimp alfredo recipe, and the alfredo recipe is there. So okay, let's get started. Okay, so first I spread my alfredo onto the dough. You don't need a lot, just enough to cover it. And my alfredo is warm because I warmed it up. Then you go to the mozzarella. And you also could freeze this and just eat it later, but it'll take a longer time for it to cook because you have to thaw out in the oven. Then you will be able to cook it. I'm gonna put my spinach down. Gotta get my veggies in. Then I go to my chicken. This is just one chicken breast. Then I go to my red peppers. And then I'll top that off with a little more cheese, just so it stick together better. Then I have my oven preheated to 425. You can do 450, you can do 500, however you want to do it. And just cook it until your liking. So I'm going to throw it in the oven and let you guys know how long I cook it. Alright, this is the flatbread right here. I cooked it for about 11-12 minutes, but if you freeze it first and then cook it, then you probably have to increase the cook time by 5-10 minutes. So try it out, let me know if you like it, comment and subscribe, and until next time.